welcome back to another Everflow webinar. My name is Isaac Mayer. You may have seen me in previous webinars, previous weeks, but I'm back again today to talk about crafting your ideal dashboard. And we're going to actually go through a step-by-step guide and some ideal tips for building that dashboard. So like always, you're going to get an introduction to myself, some fun facts. We're going to talk about the dashboard, what it is, what's important for your dashboard, what really you want to get from your Everflow dashboard. We're going to actually go through building a dashboard and what customization of that dashboard looks like. We're going to talk about Everflow Pay, which a lot of our customers have found significant success with. We're going to talk about an upcoming webinar that I'll be leading as well. We're going to talk about some upcoming events where you can meet some of the Everflow team. And then finally, we're going to do a question and answer at the end if there are any questions. Just like always, if you do have any questions, you can just add those in the question box on the right of your screen. There's a little field there, and I'll get to those at the end. So hello, everyone. My name is Isaac Mayer. You may have seen me before last week, the week before. I'll be here next week again. I am a customer success manager with Everflow, and I've been in affiliate marketing for 6 years. I am based out of San Francisco, California, where I was born and raised. And I actually have a couple interesting fun facts today. Normally, I do some facts about myself. I guess one fun fact about myself is I love fun facts. So today we have a couple fun facts about dashboards. So I don't know if you know about the origin of the word dashboard, why all these statistics on all these platforms are called dashboards. So the word dashboard actually originates from horse-drawn carriages. So a dashboard was a barrier of wood at the front of a carriage or sleigh that protected the driver from mud, splashback, or debris that was dashed up by the horses. And that's from the Saturday Evening Post. So that's where dashboard comes from. Another interesting fun fact, and this one comes from MIT, visuals transmit information much more quickly than other forms of communication. The brain can see images that last for just 13 milliseconds. And we actually process visuals 60,000 times faster than text. So when we're thinking about why dashboard is important, this is huge. It's a great way to actually see the information for how your affiliate program is performing a lot more quickly than if you were to read a report. So I love those charts, and we'll talk more about them in a sec. So let's get into the meat and potatoes of this presentation, crafting your ideal dashboard step by step, how it's done, why it's important. First, we have to know what it is. So what is your Everflow dashboard? Well, as you can see here, your Everflow dashboard is the first thing that you see when you log into the Everflow platform. You can see real-time tracking of the metrics that you choose. Keep in mind that these metrics, these graphs, do update every 30 seconds. So they really are real-time. And you can set the custom cards and metrics that you like, that you want to see. So now we know what the dashboard is, what makes up an ideal dashboard. Or kind of like I've said, you want to be able to, with just one look, one glance, see all the metrics that matter. Like we said, you process visuals 60,000 times more quickly than text. You want to be able to look at that, process it quickly with maybe just a quick look at the dashboard, and then move on to something else if you need to, if your only goal is to check on your performance that day. We want to make it easy for you to know what's working, what's not. Everflow offers a lot of availability into really digging into the weeds if you want to check out performance between different offers, different partners. But if you're just looking for something high level across your entire affiliate program, this is how you do it in practically an instant. Now, when we're talking about building your ideal dashboard, ideally what you want to do, like I said, is have only the important things and really cut out all the clutter. So you really have to decide what's important to you. Luckily, today I'm going to give you some of these standard cards that a lot of our largest clients use to see what's working, what isn't, how the performance of their affiliate marketing program is going. So some of those standard cards are revenue, payout, conversions, margin, profit, and performance. So now, without further ado, I'm going to stop sharing my screen real quick, and I'm going to start sharing again on an Everflow dashboard, and I'm going to show you what this actually looks like. So you should be able to see my screen on the Everflow dashboard. You can see it right here, all these pretty graphs. We're here. Now, this is the dashboard that I have, but what we're going to do today is essentially we're going to optimize it. So what do we talk about? We said revenue, payout, conversions, margin, profit. So essentially, we're going to go step by step and just optimize this. And the first thing that we're going to do is let's just start from scratch. So as you can see in the top right corner here, we can choose what cards we want. We're going to get rid of clicks, conversions, impressions, margin, payout, revenue, everything. We're just going to start from scratch. Okay, let's get rid of all these. As you can see, it's as easy as just clicking right here. Super quick and easy. So let's see. Let's add. Okay, so we'll just go up to the bottom, and you can kind of also see all the options we have. So let's do revenue. Let's do payout. And how about margin? Oops, sorry, that was profit. Let's do payout though, and profit. Let's see. Let's do conversions. Okay, that's good there. Let's add performance. Okay, and I think that might be everything that we want for now. But you know what? I'm going to add offers as well because I think that's interesting. And let's add marketplace connections since I'm getting really interested in the marketplace. Okay, that's great. We have all of this data here, but it's not super well organized. On a lot of platforms, that might just be the way things go. It is what it is. Not the case on Everflow. It's really as easy as dragging things around and moving them where you want them. So let's make this look pretty real quick. So we're going to put the things that we find most important at the top. And while marketplace connections are important, they're not right at the top. You know what comes first for me? Profit. So we're going to put profit right up there. Next to profit, we're going to put revenue and payout because that's what I want to look at. That's what I want to see. And then we can even see margin right here as well. So you know what? We're going to put profit. We're going to make profit bigger because you know what? We're finding great profits with Everflow, and we want to see what those are every day because it's exciting. So we're going to put profit in this left corner. Let's move this over here. And then we're going to put, how about margin up next? We have a 79% margin. Now that is fantastic. I am just doing a great job here. Okay, we're going to make margin a little bigger. And then how about, let's do conversions. Let's make conversions bigger. And we can see trends. We can see over date ranges. And then let's see, let's do revenue. And let's just do like a little row down here. So it really depends on whatever you find most aesthetically pleasing and whatever works best for you. In this case, this is what I'm choosing. But one of the great things about Everflow is that you can fully customize your dashboard however you like. So let's add performance. Let's actually move offers away. And let's take performance. Whoop. Okay, let's put offers over here. Let's put performance right there. Okay. So this is essentially what I like. I want to be able to just go through and look at everything here. But now we've set up my dashboard in a way that works best. If I ever decide I want to change it, I always can. Something that you want to keep in mind, different people will require different dashboards. For instance, if you're in biz dev, you might want to look at the marketplace. You might want to have that there. Also, certain brand personas such as e-commerce, or I guess certain types of business such as e-commerce, might want to include something like clicks. Go through here. And we can always just remove that if we want as well. But it's really up to you. You can set your dashboard however you like. Like I said, ideally, you want to be able to look and just see, okay, profits up, great, up 3%. Margin, today or yesterday, margin was 78.53%. That's great. We want to see any major trends happening as they happen. If something goes downhill quickly, we want to be able to see. If something's going uphill quickly, we want to see so we can optimize that performance. I'm going to stop sharing and let's go back to the slides. Okay, so we already checked out the dashboard. So now let's talk a little bit about Everflow Pay. So Everflow Pay is a newer feature that we released near the end of last year. Everflow Pay allows you to automate generating invoices and paying out partners. So Everflow Pay is the only payment method that is automated at partner signup. It is also the only partner payment method that shows a warning bar on the partner's dashboard with a link directly to input their billing information if they are not currently payable, if they haven't input that information. Ultimately, this is saving you time. You're not going to have to chase down those partners to input their billing information, and you're going to have a seamless partner payments onboarding experience. If you are interested in Everflow Pay, you want to learn more, maybe you want to use it, please do reach out to pay.help@everflow.io or to your customer success team within the chat. We'll be more than glad to talk to you about it, tell you more about it, and help you on board with Everflow Pay if you are interested. Now let's talk about some upcoming webinars. Next week, you can join me on my birthday, March 28th, to talk about smart links. So I hope to see you there. That'll be a fun birthday presentation. What's next? Would you like to meet the Everflow team in person? We would love to meet you. You can see us at LeadsCon Las Vegas, April 8th through 10th. That is coming up soon, so make sure to get out to Vegas. We have PI Live in Miami, April 16th through 18th, and Affiliate Huddle in Brighton, the UK, April 23rd. We'd love to see you at any of these events. Please join us and say hi. So thank you very much for joining me today. If you do have any questions, now is the time. I'll be more than glad to answer them. I have all the answers. But as always, your customer success team, including me, is here and available for one-on-one questions and feedback at any time if you ever do want to reach out to us. Everyone's very friendly and very knowledgeable. So thank you very much. And we'll take questions now. Columns customization. So I've just refreshed my dashboard. You can just reset it whenever you like, just to go back to our default settings. When you are on one of these sections, you can always click the three little dots, this ellipses here, to customize the columns and just get a little more granular, essentially with the data that's showing. Just make sure it's what you want to see. You can see every individual little piece of data right there. I'll also want to note that you can see any conversions that have come in, requests, and partners that are pending approval. You can also see stats for milestones right there.